Ko Unakoti o faijak berainani tam sija. Welcome to sculpture and tam cafeteria, toilet block, drinking water, mobile charging point, baby care room, display gallery to. Penhari ba. Unakoti tirtho kendro ni sija. Dika Amrit so Beraimani nganai flag na Indian flag subiri to. Yang hari ikon hari Unakoti ni abono boy rok abono kono picture rok abono ikon hatta kaisa yang prefai dong hari waterfall ikon hari kucu kaiwasan kai thangmon oro ikon hari orono tui tor thangkai tebo tui yung ekdom takut Watwi krini bagai kom kwlai tong hata ai ko yang tui naithak ke kwlai tong hari pura natural waterfall hin mano ono hari sing naithak tong ta iko yang hari oro kai jaga saal sculpture rock art khajak oro khajak o bukan hari sini pura kusuma iko na diuno kutiu tam sisa sculpture and rock art clips of the Unakoti district Unakoti locality Unakoti range or tam has a history around this season and grow at come sheep the bini logi mutation usai mi agai o jaga borono sabri di jaga te ni season talking English by kai bangla by ikon ID video কয়েকটা rules Director General Archaeological Survey of India ne hoite jari khaijaman tam protected monument kintu hobo. This monument has been declared to be national importance under the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites Remains Act 1958. Whoever destroys, removes, injures, alters, defaces, imperils, or misuses this monument shall be punishable with imprisonment, which may extend to 2 years by 2 boshor jail nai, along with fine 1 lakh jati manu belai kubang ble put under the Ancient Monument and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act 2010 ni andaro kaite arote sujak Organagin area protected up to 100 meter around protected limits zone has been declared as prohibited area o jaga kono construction khaimangla mining rok khaimang jodi khaina thake needs a prior approval of the competent authority Director General ko Unakoti tam khaina khaya do's and do nots poriskar tongrin chho maintain distance help creating awareness about cultural property help in maintaining holiness and sanctity I do not engrave over the monuments or scribble do not throw plastic do not touch the painting do not keep leg hands supporting on monuments walls or painting yakung yak rokta bera din sa monument do not use flash camera on paintings flash camera use taka din sa do not wipe the monument walls pillar with sweaty hand pa kolom tui ganang yak bai ta hodin sa monument porsikar tonna bagita